It's a quiet October afternoon in Göttingen, Germany. The air is cool, crisp, and full of that familiar autumn scent, a mix of falling leaves and distant rain. The sky is pale gray, with sunlight breaking through the clouds in soft golden flashes that dance across the trees. It's peaceful here, calm enough to think, to breathe, to reflect. And right in front of me stands the XLAB Göttingen Experimental Laboratory for young people. From the outside, it looks still, almost asleep. But every window, every wall holds stories of discovery. By day, this place comes alive with energy and wonder. Students from all over Germany, and even beyond, step into these labs not just to learn science, but to live it. Inside, it's a world of questions and possibilities. Microscopes flicker to life, test tubes bubble and glow. You can hear quiet voices, the sound of curiosity turning into understanding. Here, students explore the secrets of DNA, experiment with renewable energy, test the power of light through lasers, and uncover how nature and technology intertwine. It's hands-on learning, the kind that transforms a simple "how does it work" into "I can do this." What makes XLAB so special is its purpose. It's a bridge between schools and universities, between theory and practice, between curiosity and knowledge. It gives young minds the freedom to think, to test, to make mistakes, and to discover for themselves how science can shape our future. And all of this happens right here, in Göttingen, a city built on knowledge. For centuries, this small university town has been home to great thinkers and Nobel Prize winners, each adding a chapter to its story of discovery. Today, XLAB continues that legacy, nurturing the next generation of scientists, engineers, and innovators who will carry that torch forward. Even now, standing outside by the road, with the building quiet and the breeze rustling through the trees, you can feel that energy, resting, but not gone. It's in the air, it's in the walls, it's in the spirit of Göttingen itself. Because science doesn't sleep. It waits for the next student, the next idea, the next moment of realization that changes everything. And that's what makes this place extraordinary. XLAB isn't just about experiments. It's about curiosity, courage, and the joy of discovery. It's where knowledge begins to move, where imagination takes shape, and where the future quietly starts, one experiment at a time.